Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can undo edits and changes in your presentations on Gamma AI. So let us guide you through it. So guys, navigate to your presentation on Gamma AI, and it works almost the same way as it works on basically any other content creation tool or application. There are two ways how you can undo your last edits and changes. Option number one would be to simply, let me just add a change here, for example, that word with that typo. What you want to do is simply use the shortcut Ctrl-Z to reverse or recall the last edit, and there you go. So that's basically something that works on any application out there, but there's also the undo feature that is specifically here on Gamma AI in a specific location. You will find it here in the top right corner by clicking into these three dots, and here guys you will see the undo feature. And option number three, you may simply access your presentation's version history and simply select one from the list here to the left. If you'd like to go back to a previous version, you will see the latest or the most recent here at the top. Select the one you'd like to go with, click into restore, and that's it guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.